Hey there, it's Amelia. Today I'm going to share some powerful strategies to optimize your YouTube videos, increase your views, attract new subscribers, and grow your channel. And before I begin, if you find this video helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, let's talk about titles. Your video title is one of the most important things to attract viewers. It needs to be engaging, descriptive, and include relevant keywords. To optimize your titles, you could use ChatGPT for ideas. Let's see what suggestions ChatGPT has. I'll ask for a more engaging title, provide the original title, and ask that the new title is keyword friendly with the goal to increase views. You also want to tell ChatGPT to act as a YouTube marketing expert. In addition, you want to tell ChatGPT what your video is about. I'm going to tell it that my video is approximately 10 minutes long and it shows 10 keyword shortcuts. And here's the results from ChatGPT. See the difference? It's all about making your title attractive and search friendly. Here in the YouTube studio, you can update your video titles. Make sure to include keywords that people are searching for. You can also use tools like TubeBuddy to find high-ranking keywords. Next, update your tags. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about and how to categorize it. You can do that right in the YouTube studio here. This is an older video and I need some new fresh tags to optimize my video. You can try using some of the tools in studio down in here. You can get ideas here. You can also use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to get high-ranking keywords. For example, I'm going to try the phrase Microsoft Word keyboard shortcuts. Other ideas and suggestions will appear below. That particular phrase has a poor rating, but let's try adding just a couple more words to show the benefits of the video. And just those couple words ranks excellent. So I'm going to insert it into my current video. Once you update your tags, click Save. Next, let's talk about thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, so try to use bright colors, clear text, and a compelling image. Tools like Canva are great for designing professional-looking thumbnails. This will help your videos stand out in search results and suggested videos. Check the description below for my video link on how to create YouTube thumbnail images using Canva. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of older Microsoft Office, especially Word, in this case, videos, and some did very well, but then there are some that definitely need an upgrade. This particular one that I showed you earlier definitely needs to be optimized. If I compare it with a newer Microsoft Word video that I created more recently with a modern thumbnail, that one got 19,000 views, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this particular thumbnail and then edit it to replace the older thumbnail. So in Canva, I searched for Microsoft. To jump to that thumbnail, clicked on the ellipsis, and then I selected Make a Copy. I have it open here, and I've already revised the title, and I'd like to put the word thumbnail in there so that if I'm searching for thumbnails in general, that it will come up in the search results. You can find tons of thumbnail background images in Canva. Since I'm just leveraging an existing design, I'm going to update the text. Okay, so I've adjusted the text here, and all I have to do is click to select this element, tap delete, and then I search for keyboard and mouse in elements. And let's see, if I pick this one, I could change it to white. Let's see how that looks. That looks cool. Or go back to elements. I also like this particular one. So if you're not sure, sometimes what I do is I just duplicate the page and then try each one and then see what I like. I kind of like this one a little bit better than this. And I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Perfect. Okay, and it's done. And now I just click Share, Download, select just page one, click Download. And once it's downloaded, and now in YouTube Studio, just click Edit Details. And then for the thumbnail, click Change, select the image that you just downloaded, and voila, and then just click Save, and then momentarily, there you go, and now it's updated. Leveraging YouTube Shorts to promote your longer videos is yet another idea on how to market your YouTube videos. Create short, engaging clips that highlight key points from your full video. Make sure to include a call to action directing viewers to watch the full video. I usually put a link to the long video in my description. You could either save a clip from your original video and save it in vertical format as a video short, or just create something quick and easy as a vertical video, which leads into your longer video. Do you have older content which isn't getting many views? Don't forget about cleaning up and optimizing your older content. You could either repost them with updated intros, outros, and relevant information, or if you're pressed for time, simply optimize them using the strategies in this video. Updating your old content gives your videos a fresh start and can attract new viewers. Did you know you can edit existing videos using YouTube Studio? Check out this video on how to trim, cut, and edit a video using YouTube Studio. I'll include the link for you in the description below. Are you promoting your videos on social media? Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions. Share them on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, but instead of just sharing them, post in threads where people are looking for specific information on a solution that you offer. You can also start your own thread about a certain topic, providing solutions with your videos. I have a few more strategies that you can use to build your channel and increase your views. Another thing you could do is pin a relevant comment or update. Once you upload your video, add a comment. Go ahead and heart and like your pinned comment, which can increase engagement. And then click on the three dots here and pin your comment. This way it will always be available when viewers look at comments. You could even include a link for more information in your comment, either to another video or maybe even to a lead magnet. Also, don't forget about using cards and end screens. You could use end screens to point to newer or more in-depth videos or a different type of a link on the same topic. You could use cards to link to other related videos, playlists, and external links. This is what the end screens look like. So towards the end of your video, the end screens will show, and this particular format that I selected shows a recommended video, playlist, and a subscription prompt. End screens encourage viewers to watch other related video or to subscribe. This helps funnel traffic to newer uploads or specific playlists. For cards, viewers will see this little eye on the upper right of the video, and they can just click and it will take them to the video link, playlist, or an external link that you've set up. If they hover over the eye, they'll see a description. Again, if they click, it will take them to the link for the other video, playlist, or external link that you've set up. Here are some advantages to using cards. You could promote videos, increase click-through rates, link to playlists and channels, or drive traffic to an external website or maybe a product that you're selling. Speaking of playlists, don't forget about creating playlists and a video series. You'll want to group similar videos. If you have multiple videos on the same topic, bundle them in a dedicated playlist. Then promote the playlist. Link it to your video descriptions and community posts to encourage binge watching. Also remember to monitor analytics. You want to look for older videos with high retention or strong engagement. These are good candidates for more promotion. You want to adjust accordingly. If a video starts getting more traction, capitalize on that momentum by mentioning it in community posts or adding it as an updated intro or outro. By following the strategies mentioned in this video, you'll be able to optimize your YouTube videos, increase your views, and attract more subscribers. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash the like button, and remember to share it with your friends and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.